Jason, can you lift yourself up? Oh, you're so strong. Can you lift yourself up, baby girl? Oh, you got down off the pillow. Oh, that's hard work. Jason, can you push up? Can you push up, baby? What is that mirror all about? Huh? What is that? Who's that? Is that my little jaybird working hard? Hi, Jay. Can you push up? Oh, lots of noises. It's hard work being a baby. Taking a break? Yeah, you were taking a break. You're funny. You're funny. You're taking a little break, little girl. Good worker.